Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. As you may have noticed, I am currently getting over. So if I sound funny, I am sorry, but I am feeling a lot better. So today we are taking a look and unboxing the Crow Tarot Pocket Edition by MJ Cullinane. And if you know and been around on my channel, you know how much I love the original Crow Tarot. So I'm excited to see how this pocket version is. This is published by US Game Systems, and thank you so much to US Games for sending this deck our way. And this retails for $22.95 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, you'll find the links that are legitimate to where you can purchase if you want to. All that being said, let's get into it. So, Crow Tarot Pocket Edition, paying homage to the mystical energy of crows and ravens. Crow Tarot invites us to fly through the veil and connect with our intuitive powers. This pocket-sized 78-card deck is infused with the familiar symbolism of the traditional Rider-Waite Tarot, making it ideal for both beginners and professional readers. The 128-page guidebook presents upright and reversed meanings and includes a custom Crow Tarot spread. Okay, I'm excited. So that means there's a nice book in here, and we love that. It's not like a little white book. Okay. So excited. All right, so same back as the original, and at the end of this flip through, I will do a side-by-side comparison. So let me unwrap this and I'll be right back. All right, so let's take a look at this guidebook. Oh, I think it's going to be the same, just a little bit slightly condensed. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, yeah, oh, I'm so excited. So yeah, it basically looks like it's the same information that you get in the original. Look at all of that. Oh my gosh. So, and then it does have that Crow Tarot spread, which is also in the original. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so we'll dive a little bit deeper after we flip through and shuffle. So let's talk about the card stock here. Nice. So it is US Game System card stock. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's slight, oh, I'm going to say it's gloss, because it is very reflective there. It's not a high gloss. I do want to show you the size comparison, though, between the pocket and the original. So that's what we're looking at. So pretty good. I'd say that's a nice size difference. Definitely going to be easier to shuffle this size than like the super mini kind. So a usable pocket size. I love pocket size decks because they are fantastic for traveling. They are fantastic to, just put in your bag and go. So if you love a deck, I highly suggest, if they have a pocket size deck that you like, to purchase it so that way you can take this with you on your mini adventures. All right. So I'm not going to go like super slow in depth with this because most of you are familiar with the Crow Tarot, but I just want to see if it is the same vibe, same art style, and it looks like it is. We have the same borders, the same titles down below, the same wonderful, vibrant colors. Oh, this deck, if you love birds, crows, ravens, it's going to be a great deck to work with. So great with the symbolism. It reads really well, whether you're beginner or, advanced in your practice. I love the vibe. That's basically all I can describe about it, is like the vibe is there. Pretty much I am biased when it comes to MJ's work because every deck that I have purchased from them is stunning, and I enjoy working with it immensely. So the fact that this is now a pocket size that I can take with me, I am so thrilled. I can't wait to shuffle it, actually. So you do see the action going on in the scenes, you see the symbols, you see what you're meant to see, but it does still allow your intuition to get those hits and to pick up what you need to pick up on in that moment. So sometimes, say you got the Hermit card, sometimes you're looking just at the crow itself, sometimes it's the background, sometimes it's the star that draws your attention first. So when you're doing a reading, those are the things that you get those intuitive hits on first, and those come forward first on your reading. So it's very cool to see that. The cardstock slips really well. I feel like with this, you can still see all of the detail that you're supposed to see, even with the borders. And I know some of you don't really like thick borders like this, and especially on like a pocket size. So it might be hit or miss for some out there. But to me, I don't see an issue. I still see everything that I'm, supposed to see. And I don't feel like it's a distraction. I feel like it's more of a addition than a fight for attention. And believe it or not, my voice is sounding so much more normal than it did like even 2 days ago. So I have had to wait to film because I have sounded like a literal creature from, Moria. I don't know. I was trying to think of somewhere deep and non surface level, cave troll-esque. So we're going backwards through the minor. And the guidebook is nice in this because it doesn't like have a ton of information and backstory. So, it gets straight to the point of what you need to see. So if that is an issue, it might be a good idea to have like a reference guide next to you if you need a little bit more information on the symbolism. But it does a nice job. So if you are a beginner and you connect to this, absolutely you won't have an issue with reading with this, with the guidebook. But I just love the art style. It's so different. And you can also see with the different nights, the different dynamics that go with it as well. So the Knight of Wands, the horse was very quick and fast and moving compared to the Knight of Cups. So again, I'm just going through it quickly because I want to show you more comparison with the original side by side after we go through the guidebook. And the Crow Tarot has been around for quite some time now. And if you want to see the original where we go a little bit deeper through it, I do have a unboxing video of this as well. It's a very old video. And see swords, it's another quick energy, and you see the horse being very quick in this. So the attention to detail is very cool in this deck. So pretty. The aces are also very pretty. It's just, I don't know. I love this particular type of art just a lot, and I really love crows and ravens, so I connect with the deck. And this is a very slow moving energy, so the horse appears to be standing. But just, I love that little attention to detail. Ooh, little baby. Yeah, I'm not having a problem reading the art, the symbols. I feel like it's a really good size to still get all of that. And there's the ace. All right, so let's shuffle. Oh, yeah, okay. Oop. It's me trying to figure out how to hold a smaller deck. That is the issue. So it shuffles just fine. I like to bridge my shuffles. So let's see if I can try it. Okay, not bad, not bad. It just takes some situation movement with my hands. So yeah, I don't have an issue. I feel like it does shuffle very similarly to the original. And yeah, this side shuffle is great. I like it. Okay, so we're going to read for the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so with that, I'm going to pull out the original Five of Pentacles to show the comparison. All right, so it looks like it is the same Five of Pentacles, and you can tell the quality is not diminished in the smaller version. I love that. It's still vibrant. You can still see all of the little lines. You can still see the similarities are like exactly the same. I am so excited for that. I feel like that's perfect. What a great size too. This is a nice thicker, or I shouldn't say thicker, but a wider tarot size as well. So it's not quite what I would call like a standard oracle size, but it's a little bit slimmer than that. But I really do love the size for a pocket. Awesome. Okay, so now let's go into the meaning here. So the Five of Pentacles tells the story of two different groups of crows. The first group is comfortable and warm, roosting in the tree. The second group battles a headwind as they hop along the frozen ground, unable to see that relief is just a short distance away. The crows on the ground may have lost everything, but they take comfort in the fact that they still have each other. This card serves as a reminder that even when all appears lost, there are still opportunities if we look for them. It also serves as a reminder to feed your spirit by focusing less on materialism and more on relationships. When reversed, the experience of lack and financial turmoil is ending. Now is an excellent time to take inventory of all the beautiful things that have entered your life and focus on gratitude. So I'm pretty sure it's the same in the original guidebook. Absolutely the same. That is so cool. Okay, I am super happy with this pocket size. I think they did a wonderful job with preserving the same aesthetics, the same thing, basically just in a miniature version. And I wouldn't even call it mini. I am super thrilled with this. I am happy to now have this deck to take with me on my travels, as well as, you know, just throw in my bag so I have it on me whenever and wherever I choose. So thank you again to US Game Systems for sending this our way. If you enjoy the original and you want a pocket size for the same reason, or because, you know, you love miniature things as well, I highly, highly suggest picking this up because it is the exact same, just smaller. So well done. Thank you so much to, again, US Games, and thank you all for watching, for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. Let me know what you think. Are you excited about this? Do you own the original, or are you now aware of the Crow Tarot and are thinking about the Pocket Edition? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. Again, thank you all so much. Thank you for sticking by me when I was down with my sickness. I'm getting better. More videos to come. It's spooky season. It's fall. We're here. Let's go. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.